Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix video lag on Instagram. If your videos are buffering, stuttering or lagging while you're watching or posting, follow these quick steps. Video lag is often caused by a poor internet connection. So make sure you have a stable connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. iPhone users can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app from the App Store. This helps to clear temporary data that could be causing the lag. The next step is to lower video quality settings. In Instagram, go to Settings, Data Usage, and enable Data Saver. This reduces video quality slightly but can help with smooth playback when your connection is slow. Next, make sure your Instagram app is up to date by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes that can improve video quality performance. The next step is to close background apps. Too many apps running in the background can slow down your phone and cause video lag. Close any unnecessary apps to free up memory and improve performance. Now, reopen Instagram and check if your videos play smoothly without any lag. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the video lag problem on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!